Now we're talking about February the 10th, the real blizzard out here. I mean, look at this. In all my 31 years of living in this house, I have never seen anything like this. And we've had some bad winters, not recently, I grant you that, but this is, again, just amazing to look at out here. Unbelievable. There has got to be, for example, on that table out there, got to be looks like close to 40 inches of snow. And this is all since the weekend. See, can you catch it blowing out there? This is absolutely one of the record breakers. Well, it's cold. I'm closing the door, and that's it for now.